Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the no-flip clip in your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because yours is damaged, broken, or missing, or if you don't have one and you want to put one in there. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Whirlpool. Now keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. Also keep in mind, we don't have a countertop for this, so we're actually using some weights to keep it weighted down so it doesn't tip over on us. So you might want to consider that when you're at home, and if you have to take out your dishwasher, make sure that you're not doing anything to tip it over and make it fall on you when you're doing a repair as well. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our dishwasher here. So we'll pull out our top dish rack here. So these two pieces right here are no flip clips. These are used if you have something that's lighter that tends to be flipped over or possibly damaged when you have it in the dishwasher. So these will actually hold it into place nice and secure so that it doesn't get damaged. So in order to take out your old one, if it's damaged, you can just simply push up from the bottom part right there and it'll unclip from the tine on the bottom and you can pull it right off. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement no flip clip. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And in order to put the no flip clip on, all we have to do is slide it straight down and make sure that the clip goes in front of that tine right there, and then snap it down into place just like that. And now we can close up the door and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.